Yeah, good day, my viewers. So nice to meet you here once again. Happy new month. You're welcome to the month of May, and it's so good to be here once again. I just want to show you a simple strategy that will help you make profit trading Boom 500, and it has been working. I took the same trade yesterday and made huge profits. I made huge profit, and I want you to also take advantage of this great opportunity. Now, if you look at the trends, all the moving averages, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 something there about moving average. They are all they are all under the price, and that is just a buying signal. It has given a buying signal whenever the moving averages is whenever they are under the trend or under the price. It's a buying signal. It's going to be a long buy. It's going to buy all the way. It's going to buy all the way. It's going to buy all the way upward to a certain level. So I want you to take this opportunity, take this advantage, grab it, and then make profit for yourself for today. Make profits. What I want to do now is, if you look at it, it just spiked another. It's just spiked and it's still spiking. I took 2 positions. I can even open more positions to tell you how this strategy is. It's not a strategy, it's just the movement, the positioning of the moving averages. If you know how to position your moving averages, know how to set them up, then you are good to go on this trend. It's going to be massive. The profit is going to be massive until it gets to this level. I will not exit the trade until it gets to a certain level of this range. I will not exit the trade. I will still remain in the trade in this market until I see that bullish movement up till this level. So I want to show you the settings of the moving average. It is not something you take like, though the trend changes, though it changes once it's on a bullish movement, you can go all the way. Take this from me. If the trend is on a bullish movement and the moving averages are on this format you're seeing, look at it, just the way it's ranging now. Look at my 100 moving average, my 50, 35, 20, all under the price, moving upward. Look at it, moving upward in this format. If it's like this on your trend, then you are good to enter a buying position for as many positions you can take up until you get to, look at the confluence point. There's a confluence point here I want you to see. There's a confluence point between here and here and here, though it's still going to go further, but I'm taking my profit around this region, around 4739.837. That is where I'm taking my profit. So I want you to grab this opportunity. It's a simple and easy way to make money trading boom and crash. And here is the settings for the moving averages. I have the moving average 7, period 7 shift 1. I made it shift 1. Many of us, we don't understand adding the shift to the moving averages. We don't understand it, but I want to clarify something here. When you add one, when you add add the moving average, you add shift 1 to the moving average, is simply indicates that you are extending the hand, you are extending the length in one just one furthermore, kind of. If, let me go back again, look at my shift. It's saying shift 1 in this after the period where I shifted it one distance from the zero level it was supposed to be. I shifted it one distance. So when you are setting yours, please set it that way so that you'll be able to get accuracy. This is just to give you accuracy, of the trend. If you add shift 1, it will give you just a little distance from the normal zero it was supposed to be. At least you know the direction the trend is going, if it's going to buy or it's going to sell. So I want you to also understand it and take advantage of this. All the moving averages, I made a little adjustment on them. Okay, like this period, this one I did not add extension because it's a short moving average with period 2. It's just following the price. Look at this one, my 35 moving average. The period is 35, shift 1 exponential. The method is exponential, apply to low. So the style is 4 pixels and any color of my choice, but I pick color green. And look at this. This is my 100 period moving average, linear weight and weighted close. Okay, I added shift 1 to extend the movement of the moving average further from the zero position, from the zero level it's supposed to be. I extended it further. I will explain further on this. I'll explain more on this. I'll make a video so that we understand how to shift the moving average. This is my moving average with period 20. This one is shift 0, is exponential and weighted close. And this one is okay. Let's go back, and this is my 50 moving average. 50 moving average. This guy is the bomb. Always watch out for this guy. He does wonders and he does magic. Always watch out for this guy. My 50 moving average. Okay, whenever this guy, my 100 moving average is below the price, it's going to go all the way. It's going to boom all the way to profit. You're going to boom all the way into profit all the way. So take advantage of this great opportunity. Take advantage of it. Now I'm going to remain on this trend until I get to my take profit region, which is this. Until I get here, I'm not exiting, I'm not backing out of the trade. So I want you guys to grab this opportunity. I'm going to make a video next on confluence point. On this confluence point you're seeing, on this point, I'm going to make a video on this. So watch out for my next video. I just want you guys to grab the opportunity of taking easy of this easy way to make profit trading boom 500. And this is one way to go. Knowing the trend and following the moving average, the movement of the moving average. Whenever it's below the price, the market is going to be very profitable. It's going to buy all the way. Up. But once it's up on top of the price in this format, it's going to sell down with little ups and down. You understand? So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all my subscribers, my loved ones. I really, really appreciate you for what you are doing on my channel, and I look forward to give you guys the best, a very profitable strategy to make a living, to make wealth, to settle yourself. So see you in my next video, and I love you all.